So guys, I'm showing you our room. This is our room. It's very nice. We have one TV here, and then we have our little lounge area, and then we have another TV because why not? And then we have our little balcony here, and we can go outside, and ta-da! We have the sea view. So we have some palm trees and some birds are singing. Very nice. There is like a little patio down there, and it's not too bad, huh? Yeah. And then what else can I show you? It's pretty large. There was actually a nice welcome message on the screen. Mrs. Lange, my name and everything, but the guy who explained everything, he erased it because he showed how the TV worked, but never mind. We have a little wardrobe. It's actually quite small, but it has light, and we have a nice bathrobe, and we have very important, we will not use this, I think. Yeah, we have all we need. And then let me show you our little, we have a shower, and we also have a bathtub. How nice is that? So, hello. This is how you look when you've traveled for, let me see, 13 hours now. Yeah, lots of trouble. Actually, this is like the first nice thing today. Well, they broke my suitcase, and then I was filling out papers for that, and then we had a shuttle from the airport to the hotel, but they left without us. And then I had 3 emergency numbers, and I called them and none answered. So then we had to wait for another more than 1.5 hours. So we're now actually 1.5 hours later in the hotel than we should have been. But anyway, we're here. Oh, and our seats in the airplane were really rubbish. We couldn't move the thing back. And yeah, lots of things were happening that were not so good. But now we have our little nice look. We have all this, what we need. And there's the Matske. Maybe should you move a little bit? Because I'm making a story. No, that's maybe to over there. Yeah, well, she's not moving, so I'll show you some artwork we have here. And yeah, we have a separate toilet I cannot show you because the Matske is standing there. But yes, that's basically it. I will move over here. Yeah, we'll end this with a nice view of the ocean, shall we? So this is really very nice. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Oh, one more thing actually. I'm going back to the bathroom. I don't know. I was going to tell you one more thing. Now in the hotel, this was the first time today they wanted to see our passports or ID. So we checked in Frankfurt, no, in Hamburg, and we checked in ourselves, the luggage, everything, we did that, and I had done the check-in online, but nobody wanted to see our ID. Then we flew to Frankfurt, and in Frankfurt we thought, okay, now from there to Malta, somebody will want to see our ID, but nobody. So actually I could have taken any person with me, and yeah, I wouldn't have had to have a passport or ID because this was in the hotel the first time somebody wanted to see it. And I've never had that, and I think it's really weird. Oh, and one more thing, in Frankfurt, we had to go to gate for our next flight. We had 2.5 hours or more, but we had to go to gate A, I think 58. And we walked to the wrong side because it was going upwards, the numbers, until A40. And we thought then, you know, the more numbers will come, but no. So we actually walked one time through the whole airport and then back. We walked for half an hour through the Frankfurt airport, which was, well, not the best experience either. But anyways, now we're here and we will fresh up a little bit, and then we'll have some nice food. So I'll update you soon.